3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Go for the outside of the wrist. 5. We're going to bring them down. 6, 7. We're going to flick them up. Open up the slot. 1. Bring her forward. 2. We're going to turn her from the hip. 3. I'm going to get right behind her. The right hand goes to her right hip. 5. Now I'm going to keep rotating her to my left hand. 6 as I walk around her. Keep rotating her on 7. Now the right hand is going to make her come across on 1 as I open up. 1. I'm going to bring her forward. 2. Cross body lead. 3. Turn her. And I'm going to check forward. 5, 6, 7. Driving her from the bicep. So now I'm going to make her face me out. 1. I'm going to give her a right turn. Hammerlock the right hand. 2, 3. Switch it to my left hand as I back turn. 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to turn her on 1 to switch sides. 1. I'm going to start looking her. 2. To the left, and now I'm going to go over her head. 3 for a quick right. Back charge. 5, 6, 7. Now from here, I'm going to give her a 1.5 left, pushing that way. I take 2 steps forward. 1, 2. I turn to left on 3. Keep turning. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And the inside turn forward 1, forward 2, turn 3. Now keep turning on 5, keep turning on 6, keep turning on 7, forward 1, 2, 3, check forward 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do half a right turn into a right turn. So we're going to go 1, turn, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a couple stop on 1, 2, turn on 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.